this video is brought to you in part by Rapid Acceleration. Go to rapidacceleration.com for all your motorsports needs. All right, it's time. It's Christmas in March again. It's go time. All right, it's baseline.
All right, Ben, this is your baseline run. Now, this bike is all stock. What year is it?
2003 CRF 230F.
2003 230F Honda. Okay, let's see what she's got. Oh, stop. Let's take a look and see how she did. That was our first pull. That was our second. They look real even. So she made 12 horsepower and 9.5 foot-pounds.
All right.
That's all stock. We couldn't get a probe in the exhaust, so we don't really know what the air-to-fuel ratio is. But with Honda, we can assume it's probably EPA friendly.
Okay.
Okay. Let's do our modifications and then we'll run it again.
All right, let's do it. That new fresh coloration.
We finished rejetting the bike. We made some carburetor adjustments. Now we're going to cold start it, let it warm up, and see where we end up.
so the aftermath is this.
So what you're looking at here, Ben, is your before and after of the modifications we did and the tune-up. So the red line is your bike when you brought it in here, all stock, and before we did a tune-up of any kind. The blue line represents when we came in after we put on the exhaust, we changed the oil, put a new spark plug in it, adjusted the valves, cleaned the air cleaner, you know, the basic stuff, little chain lube, air in the tire, stuff like that. So what you're seeing here is a huge gain. The distance between the old run and the new run is quite a bit. You're talking about between here and here. Look over here, Ben. That's going from 10 to 14 horsepower out here at the higher mile per hour in this case, or RPM. Let's look at the RPM together as well. So in terms of RPM, let's use 8,000 as an example. At 8,000 RPM, the stock bike was making about 11 horsepower, 10 and a half, somewhere in there. After the modifications, it's making over 14 and a half, maybe close to 15. It says here 14.8 actually. So you're talking about serious gains in terms of a percentage. Obviously, yes, it's only 15 horsepower. However, the percentage increase is significant.
And 15 horsepower on a 250-pound dirt bike is kind of a lot.
It's a fun bike to ride, no doubt.
And I can confirm this is a very fun bike to ride. So since the Dyno tune, I have taken this bike out and ridden it twice, and it definitely makes more power, and you can definitely feel the power increase while riding it. It's performing and running better in pretty much every way. So I'm glad I did this mod. I'm glad I had it dyno tuned because it is a large improvement over stock. And with that being said, I'm very much looking forward to making more videos with the dirt bike in the near future. So be on the lookout for more dirt bike content. See you guys.